starting off with our roasted peanuts in our crock pot. Next, I'm bringing 1 block of milk chocolate, and we're just gonna snug that right in the middle of our peanuts. I have here some dark chocolate chips that we're gonna just sprinkle around our peanuts. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious Christmas treat. Next, I found these Ghirardelli peppermint mix-ins, and we're just gonna pour those right on top. So these come with dark chocolates, white chocolates, and peppermint chips. So we're gonna get a nice little peppermint flavor with our peanuts. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of get those from edge to edge. Yummy. And that is it for our crock pot. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our lid, and we're gonna place this on low to let that chocolate melt. All right, it's been 1 hour on low, but we have to give this a mix to make sure that the chocolate doesn't burn. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells like peppermint heaven. But as you can see, only the chocolate on the sides have started to melt. That middle one is still pretty solid. So we just gotta make sure that the sides don't burn. So we're just giving it a super quick and light mix. Oh, the peppermint smells so delicious though. And it's just gonna go beautifully with those salty peanuts. Put that lid back on for 1 more hour. All right, so it's been the full 2 hours on low. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off. I did give it another mix real quick, but now it's time for our final mix. Make sure you get all of those peanuts covered. Oh, it smells so delicious. Just the perfect combination of chocolate and peppermint and salty and sweet. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to see what these turn into. But let's just make sure we get this nice and mixed together. We want all of those nuts covered. Oh, doesn't that look so good, babe?
The aroma is outrageous.
All right, I think that looks absolutely beautiful. I'm just gonna kind of put this to the side. And before we start scooping, I have some mini candy canes. I got the ones with a little bit of green in it for some extra festiveness. And I put it in a Ziploc baggie, and now we're gonna go ahead and crush these up. Super easy. I'm just using my rolling pin to get nice little bits. That looks absolutely perfect. We have some nice little candy cane bits. Now it is time to get scooping. We'll put those to the side. I'm gonna use my silicone muffin tin. This will just make the perfect sized pieces of candy. And I have my ice cream scoop, so we're just gonna go right into our peanuts and then scoop it right into each muffin tin holes. Oh my goodness. You can use a parchment lined sheet pan if you don't have a silicone muffin tin. You can even use a muffin tin with some cupcake liners. But for me, this is the best method, easiest method, most sustainable method. So let's go ahead and get these scoops in here.
Ooh, it smells so good.
All right, now that this is full, we're gonna bring back in our candy cane pieces and just do a nice little sprinkle of those candy cane pieces right on top. Not only will it taste delicious, it will also be extra festive so that it looks like almost like sprinkles. How fun is that? All right, these are gonna go in the fridge for about 1 hour. All right, you guys, these are done.
Oh, wow.
Go ahead and pop them right out. And we have the most delicious peppermint dark chocolate clusters. Look how incredible these look. Oh, my family absolutely loves these. I usually make them and put them in their stockings. But you can, give it to your neighbor. You can do whatever you want with these. You can eat them all yourself for all I care. Look how darling these look. Oh, they smell so good too.
Oh, they look delicious.
All right, so I'm gonna give one a try. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. It just is the perfect shape.
Oh, is it good?